Car Story research indicates this vehicle as features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.